First of all, I must let you all know that these two cake designs that I made, I found it so hard to let them go. They were so nice. Now look at this solid looking chocolate cream number, very tall beauty, made for a gentleman, as obviously seen, accentuated with the balls, of course, and then the crown to make you look really royal and regal. Next up is this teal and gold number, made for like a dude kind of guy, like a bloke, right? I've come to love this, my texturing style with my silicone brush. I can do it anyhow I want to do it, and it always comes out nice. So the question here is, if you were to pick any one out of these two designs for your husband or your man, which would you rather go with?
3, 2, 1.
Move it closer.